All right, renewable energy fans, buckle up. We're diving into something that'll make your inner tech geek do backflips, the Jaison solar panel system. I've got some fascinating documentation from John Mavic that's honestly too cool not to share.
You've got me intrigued. What's so special about yet another solar panel system?
Oh, this is not just another panel system. Jaison, which stands for Chase the Sun Built with AI, is like having a brilliant sunflower that not only follows the sun, but also tells you exactly how much energy it's producing. It uses an Arduino board and so-called actuators to keep panels perfectly aligned with the sun, kind of like a high-tech solar ballet.
A solar ballet? That's a new one. And you mentioned AI was involved somehow?
Exactly. Think of it as a friendly AI boxing match. John Mavic had two AI heavyweights, Claude 3.5 Sonnet and O1, go head-to-head over some pretty crucial code details. And boy, did they have some interesting debates.
What kind of debates are we talking about?
Picture this. They're reviewing the positioning code, and it quickly evolves into a detailed discussion about night mode and zero elevation handling. O1 struggled to correctly calculate the panel's position at 0 degrees and negative elevation angles. At the same time, Claude Sonnet 3.5 demonstrated a superior solution by ensuring the panel remains fully oriented towards the sun, even at these critical angles. However, when the sun dips below -2 degrees, all actuators must fully retract, placing the panel in a wind-resistant, horizontal position for the night. This practical approach ensures both optimal energy capture and structural safety.
It's fascinating. Who won this AI showdown?
In the end, it wasn't about winning. Both AIs actually agreed on making the system better. They figured out that by combining proper night mode checks with smarter zero and negative elevation handling, we'd get a solar panel system that's not just more efficient, but also safer and smoother in operation. It's like they started as debate opponents and ended up as collaboration partners.
Love it! But tell me more about the tech side. What's Jaison built with?
Jaison's built like a well-oiled machine with modern parts, React and TypeScript keeping everything type-safe and tidy, Vite making it zippy, and the Firebase platform with its cloud Firestore database acting like a caffeinated librarian, constantly organizing and updating data 24/7.
A caffeinated librarian. That's a new way to describe a database.
And it's accurate! Firestore never sleeps. It constantly stores panel positions, power output, and weather conditions. Every bit of data, from actuator positions to sun angles, gets stored in neat little collections in the database, while the Arduino board and cloud handle all the real-time updates and synchronization. It's like hiring the world's best assistants to optimize the performance of your solar panels.
But is it complicated to use? I'm imagining some kind of NASA control center.
That's the beauty of it. It's as simple as telling it where you are and what time it is. The dashboard is so clean and intuitive, thanks to Tailwind CSS, it's like having a smart home interface designed by a minimalist architect with a thing for green energy.
Which brings me to the question, what can users do with it?
It's like having a Swiss Army knife for solar energy. You've got automatic mode for the set it and forget it folks, manual mode for the tinkerers, and safety features that make your panels smarter than a squirrel during storm season. There's even an emergency shutdown if things get too wild.
Impressive. Now tell me a bit more about this visualization.
Ah, the crown jewel. Imagine if Google Earth teamed up with a solar panel simulator. That's our 3D solar path diagram. You can watch your panel track the sun like tech-savvy sunflowers in real time and even replay the last 24 hours.
Sounds impressive, but the system seems quite complex. Is Jaison worth the effort? Does it make a noticeable difference in efficiency?
According to John, the system could deliver a performance boost of at least 40% per panel. By analyzing the power fed into the grid through smart sockets, Jaison's output is compared to that of a standard, fixed mount panel with identical specifications, offering clear insights into how effectively Jaison converts sunlight into usable energy.
Can we see this comparison in action?
Yes, absolutely. Visit jaison.online. The site offers a detailed overview about the solar panel tracking system. We have already talked about 3D visualization, but there is more. Let me highlight some features for you. The solar path diagram section shows the current azimuth and elevation of the sun, along with a global map visualization and a graph tracking the sun's elevation throughout the day, week, or current month based on your selection.
That sounds pretty comprehensive.
It is. And just below that, you'll find the actuator's dashboard. It provides real-time data on the positions of the 3 actuators, A, B, and C, compared to their target positions. You can also see the deltas, differences, and the actuator's motor speeds. It's incredible how precisely everything is aligned. But there's more. The solar panel comparison dashboard goes beyond just real-time metrics. It provides a precise side-by-side analysis of 2 panels, the Jaison panel and a standard panel, offering insights into their energy performance and efficiency trends over time. Power analysis graphs and dynamic data showcase how each panel responds to different conditions, helping users make informed decisions.
Wow, it does feel like stepping into the future of solar energy. It's not just about seeing the numbers, it's about understanding the story they tell. Seeing how panels perform under different conditions allows users to optimize and refine their setups for the best energy output.
Exactly. And what's truly exciting is how accessible this technology is becoming. With dashboards like this, it's not just engineers or technicians who benefit. Everyone can now understand and manage their systems more effectively. It's about making solar energy more intelligent and more approachable.
What gets you most excited about all this?
It's like watching the renewable energy world level up. Jaison shows us that with the right mix of AI smarts and industry-standard tools, we can make solar energy not just efficient, but actually kind of fun to work with.
Do you have some final thoughts on where this is heading?
Jaison is like the Tesla of solar tracking systems, showing us that renewable energy doesn't have to be tedious or complicated. John Mavic's vision is turning solar panels from passive energy collectors into clever, dynamic energy ninjas.
I love the energy ninja concept. Any closing words?
Yes, sure. A few years ago, this would have seemed like science fiction. Thanks to John Mavic's innovative thinking and clever AI assistance, we're not just chasing the sun, we're dancing with it, and the whole world gets to join the party. Who knows what other renewable energy breakthroughs are just around the corner? Stay curious, stay green, and keep your eyes on the sun, but wear sunglasses.
And maybe invest in some sunscreen for those solar energy ninjas, though they're already pretty good at handling the sun's rays. Thanks for joining us on this solar-powered journey. Stay bright and curious, everyone.
And remember, the future of renewable energy is looking sunnier every day. Catch you next time.